What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Stripe email receipts. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Click on this website and after that, if you are new to Stripe, you will see the option of sign up. Just simply click on sign up and then enter your email, your password and other credentials to create your Stripe account. But if you already have an account, just you will see the option of dashboard or sign in. Simply click on it and then you will be automatically logged into the Stripe account. Now, after coming to the home page of your Stripe, on the right side, you can see the settings icon at the top. Click on this settings icon and then under the settings icon on the left side, click on businesses, which is under the account settings section. After clicking on businesses, at the right side, click on customer emails. And after coming here in the payment section, make sure that these both toggles are turned on. Now, what will happen if these both are turned on? So first one is the successful payments toggle. If you turn this on, an automatical email will be sent to the person that has sent you the payment, or you have sent them the payment and the payment has been successful. And then in another section, when you turn on this refunds toggle on, whenever a refund is generated, your email recipients will receive an email. So this is how you can set up your Stripe email recipients. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.